Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. So I wanted to start this with an intro because looking like this because I've been looking a hot mess for 2 weeks now. Today is the first day, but I wanted to start this intro out like this. If you guys are new here, I would love if you would subscribe, click the notification bell so you're always notified of every single upload. Like this video, share this video, and let's get into this week, which has been a rough one. I'm just gonna warn you, forewarning, it is a rough one. So let's get to it. So it is Monday. You guys saw my intro because I did not want to start out the intro like this, but it's Monday the 12th, 11:10, and I just want to update you guys on my surgery real quick. I can't talk long because I get very fatigued very easily. So I had my surgery on Thursday. If you guys saw my last week's vlog, I kind of updated you guys, and I was in really good spirits. I wasn't like, I was tired, but I wasn't like fatigued. I was excited that my mom was there, this and that. Friday, she left about 2 p.m. I think. And then my friend came over about 6 or 6:30. And Saturday I woke up feeling like I had been hit by a truck. It was awful, and I was actually really scared. I was like, what is going on? I was, according to the doctor, I was supposed to be back to work, back to functioning. I can clean, I can cook, I can this, I can that. And I could barely stand for longer than 5 minutes. So it was really scary, actually, Saturday. However, I did not have any of the symptoms that they told me to watch out for, and that would be emergencies to call. So it was like pain, excessive bleeding, fever, excessive discharge, like stuff like that. And I didn't have any of that. So I was just like, well, I'm just not going to call the doctor, blah, blah, blah. So I tried to get some sleep. I really didn't. Yesterday, I was, again, extremely fatigued, and I got a lot of sleep. And again, this morning, I woke up, and I'm like, I'm really tired. Like, right now, it's a struggle for me to be filming this, and I'm not going to talk long. I'm just going to update you guys and say I'm not doing like I thought I was going to. I really thought I was going to be up and at 'em, meal prepping, meal planning, doing all the things I need to do. I can't do any of the things, but I'm extending myself grace, and it is what it is. I'm not going to force myself to do certain things if my body is not ready. And I was Googling this morning because I was going to call my doctor, but I Googled about fatigue after surgery, and it's completely normal, and it's just your body's way of telling you, because it's healing. So it's just your body's way of telling you, like, hey, slow down, rest, don't do anything. We are doing our job in healing. So I'm just gonna go lay back down. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I pray that I have more energy tomorrow and I can get up and do things. But if not, it is what it is. It's just another day. I hate to say it like that. I really hate to say that my birthday is just like another day. But I mean, it kind of is, and that's kind of what I've been accustomed to since being with my ex-husband. And I woke up to this Facebook memory that made me I just felt so horrible for myself and like what I had to deal with. And anyways, I'm feeling really tired. I need to go lay back down, but I just wanted to update you guys, start this vlog today. So I guess I'll see you guys sometime this week. Do you see my cutie back there with Bella? They're so cute. Oh. So, it's Tuesday. And yes, this is where I'm at. Y'all, it seriously took like everything in me just to get in the shower this morning. So this is gonna be me today, unfortunately. I thought yesterday I was feeling better, and this morning I woke up and I was just like, I feel like I've been hit by a truck again. It is what it is. Cantrell brought me some chocolate chip pancakes that he made this morning with candles, and they were lit. He's so sweet. And they had whipped cream and sprinkles on top. And then they each made me a card, and that was really sweet. So this is how I'm spending the first day. My first day in the 40s, which technically I'm 29, so I really didn't turn 40.
She's lying.
I've turned 29 this year for the, I don't know how many years in a row. But yeah, I'm just gonna rest. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, 11:31. Y'all, I was all like, yes, feeling better. This is amazing. And I just came downstairs. I'm not feeling better. I'll take the little 3 hours of energy that I had. Started some laundry. Yesterday was interesting, to say the least. I really stayed in bed all friggin' day. However, my parents did come over, and they brought me a balloon. And they brought me my favorite cheesecake from Publix. If you guys have never had I think it's called a monster cheesecake. It's a slice of cheesecake. It's huge, and it's covered or like half coated in chocolate. Oh, so good. So I had that. They also got me a dozen roses. So yeah, they also stayed here with us for a little bit. My dad ordered some Chili's because we were gonna go to Chili's, but like I said, I wasn't feeling good, so we didn't go. I actually ordered a steak. Like, who am I? I don't order steaks, like, ever. But I thoroughly enjoyed it. Did I tell you I started laundry? Y'all, I have so much freaking laundry. It's not even funny. So I was like, we have got to start this today. So I'm gonna go back upstairs. Unfortunately, downstairs, I'm sorry, but I can't tend to you today. Like I said, it is what it is. I'm just listening to my body, and this freaking sucks. Because I literally thought that I would be up and at 'em, everything good to go come last Friday, and here I am Wednesday, still a hot mess. I don't know what's going on, but obviously my body told me I need rest, so I'm gonna give it rest. How much more does it need though? Seriously, how much more do you need? I feel like I've given it more than enough. But I'm gonna go upstairs, transfer the laundry from the washer into the dryer, and then get some more laundry in the washer. That's probably gonna be my day today. Just working on the laundry. As it dries, I'll fold it. We'll put it up. At least I can check that off the list, because my list is ever growing, and I'm like, oh my gosh, but it'll be okay. I have all my videos done for this week, so I'm okay with that, but don't have anything next week, so I'm like, you better heal. You better start giving me some energy, gosh darn it. But I will check you guys later. I'm gonna go finish this laundry and get back in the bed. Y'all, I feel like myself again. You don't even understand. You don't even understand. I don't even know if I can begin to get you guys to understand how I have so not felt like myself for the past week. It is Thursday, October 15th, 12:44. I have been super productive today already. I've put on makeup. I did a counseling session. I put on nails again. I felt naked without you. I put in earrings. I've been wearing this necklace. I got this necklace from Nordstrom, and I'm loving it. So I have that on again today. I straightened my hair, put on some makeup. I feel good. I'm still not 100%, but I'm about 95%. So yeah, I've got a long list of things to do. I want to do some meal prepping, which I'm doing a day in the life for my weight loss channel, so I'm probably not going to include that. But I want to go get my car washed and finally get all of that taken care of. I bought my car. I've made 2 payments on it already, so it was probably getting close to I bought my car 3 months ago. And literally everything that was in my old car is still in bags in the back of my trunk. Every time I'm like, I need to do that, and I just never get to it. So today we have a lot of things to do. I got to get back to filming and stuff like that tomorrow, but I'm not like gonna like hone in too much on that. So I wanted to tell you guys that I appreciate every single one of you for your birthday wishes. I really appreciate it. I wish that my birthday didn't go down the way that it did, but it was still a good birthday. My parents came over. I already told you guys about all that, and I don't know if I told you Control made me pancakes in the morning, but it was so sweet. Look, all my lip stuff is off and it looks so weird. Anyways, yeah, it was a good day. We're gonna celebrate like for real, but I just wanted to thank you guys all so very much for my birthday wishes, and we are going to celebrate probably a couple of times. You know, the month is not over, so this is technically my birthday month. So yes, we will celebrate big time. This girl has eyeliner on. She had a really good wing earlier, and I was like, whoa.
I should actually get some eyeliner.
Just keep practicing with shadow.
This town is quiet when it's late here. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late here. This town is quiet. Sweetest, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. As soon as I can see the moon, I know that I'll be fine here. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet when the snow is on the ground. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet. Soon as I can see the moon, I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. As soon as I can see the moon, I know that I'll be fine here.
You look very pretty today. You look very pretty today.
So it is 2:50 on Friday, and we went and ran some errands this morning. And finally, you guys, Bella just had a bath and she's like running around. She's so cute. Where's she at? Oh, aren't you the cutest? But yeah, I finally cleaned my car and went through the car wash, vacuumed it up. Went to the grocery store. That was really about it. So I'm gonna do some meal prepping right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. If you guys want to see the meal prep and all that stuff, go over to my weight loss channel. It's linked down below, or you can just search taking weight off. That's the channel name. And you can see what I meal prepped and what not. And that'll do it for this week. So sorry it was like mostly me complaining about how tired I was. But now that surgery is over, okay, so I can't even talk because I'm getting nervous again. Because you guys know, like, I got the cone biopsy and then I also got the DNC. And that was to scrape the cells to see if it's cancer or whatever. So usually they upload my test results onto, like, this chart thing that you can check, but it's not there, and I'm like kind of freaking out. So, which I know we made the appointment for Monday, so I will update you guys. All of this to say, I will update you guys with my results, and please pray for me, because obviously, like, that's the big deal. So let's just all pray that the results come back, that everything is fine, and we can take the next step, which will be cycle control. Which, when I started thinking about that, I was like, I might not have a period anymore. It made me just so excited again. But yeah, I apologize for this week being, again, super boring, and most of the week it was just me complaining about being tired, but that was just my life. I was really, really, really tired. And I finally have, like, I feel like I have full energy back today, because it's 2:52 and I'm still feeling really good. So I'm just like, yes. So yeah, I would just have my appointment on Monday. It's early in the morning, so I'm really excited that it's like first thing. Pray he's like, everything is great, you know? So then we can talk about other options, which I've already said. Can y'all tell how nervous I am? Let's just not talk about it, because when I don't talk about it and when I don't think about it, then I just don't think about it and I don't get nervous. So we'll just wait for the nerves on Monday. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and again, thank you all for the wonderful birthday wishes. You guys are amazing. I'm definitely going to be celebrating my birthday eventually one day. I don't know when, but it'll be one day. My friend was like, don't think you're getting out of celebrating your birthday. I'm like, girl, I'm not trying to. I just want to make sure I feel good, because I want to actually celebrate, and I can't celebrate if I'm not feeling good. So maybe sometime this weekend, maybe next weekend, I don't know, but I'll see you guys next week. Bye.